Hello and welcome to today's transportation reporting session on ADEConnect Transportation Application for Fiscal Year 22. I'm Monica Paz with the School Finance Account Analyst team. In this session, we will talk about deadlines for transportation, the user's manual, and the new reporting system in ADEConnect for both route reporting and vehicle inventory. We will also discuss best practices and updates for fiscal year 22. The Transportation Route Report, or also referred to as the 100-day report, is due 12 days after your district's 100th day of instruction. The application window for transportation route reporting is set to open January 10th, 2022. The vehicle inventory report is due no later than July 15th of the current fiscal year. Vehicle data is imported from Common Logon for fiscal year 21 data into fiscal year 22. Changes to prior year data will require a 15-915, and the application window for vehicle inventory will open May 1st of 2022. The user's manual for the transportation route application in ADEConnect and vehicle inventory application will be posted online on the Knowledge Center of the School Finance website. In addition, transportation directors will receive a copy of the user's manual via email. We will now review the new reporting system in ADEConnect Routes application. The transportation applications are now found under ADEConnect and will no longer be available on Common Logon. To access the new transportation application, you will want to go to the ADE website. On the blue menu bar, you will see a link to ADEConnect. Click on that link and it'll take you to the platform where you will find the transportation application. The role or permission has been assigned to you if you already had access as a transportation director from Common Logon. If you do not have access to this ADEConnect application, you will need to contact your entity administrator within your district. When you enter the application, you will see a menu for routes or inventory. Contractor information is open when the routes window is open, and vehicle mileage will be open when the vehicle inventory window is open. When you log in, you will see the listed district that you're reporting for. You should also see a note to see if the submission window is open for either routes or inventory. Let's first take a look at transportation routes. When you click on the box, you will see a menu for daily routes, contracted miles, and other route information. Here is where you report daily route information. You will see that the questions are the exact same as what you are used to seeing in Common Logon. The most significant difference on the daily route reporting is that actual and estimated information is on the same screen. In Common Logon, they were on two different screens. Now, you can see that the estimated mile information and actual mileage information is on the same screen. This should make data entry a lot easier. Here is where you also enter the eligible students that you're reporting for regular route, contracted route, and extended school year. Here's where you enter other route information. Other route information is route miles that should not be reported in your regular routes, such as summer school, other purpose or deadhead mileage, and open enrollment miles. This screen is similar to the other route information that you reported in Common Logon. When you navigate to the contractors list, you will see both inactive and active contractors that your district contracts with. In this example, you can see that this listed contractor name is inactive. Should I need to edit information within this contract list, I simply need to go to the edit button so that I can edit detail for this specific contractor. Within the edit screen, I can update the status to inactive or active per contractor. The editing contract information, or to add or manage a contractor, shows the detail such as the name, the address, city, zip code, phone, and email. Here is again where you can indicate whether the contractor is active. I should note that for existing contractors that were rolled over from our IT from Common Logon, should you need to edit contract information, prior to Common Logon, there were not required fields for contractor information. Within this ADEConnect application, note that there are required fields for contractor information. So should you have to edit imported contractor information, the system may require you to enter information that you never had to enter before, such as a phone number or an address. So please be aware that if you are updating existing contractor information that was imported from Common Logon, you may need to enter information that you didn't have to before, that Common Logon did not require. If you are adding a new contractor, you can simply add the name and all of the required fields and click on Save. When you are entering contractor miles for the current year, for fiscal year 22 and moving forward, this list within the miles reported will only show active contractors. So if you are looking for a contractor that is inactive, they will not show on the miles reported. You'll need to go in and update the contractors list if you need to report for that specific contractor. New reporting system in ADEConnect for vehicle inventory. When the window is open for vehicle inventory and vehicle mileage, you will see a note for not only the district that you're reporting for, but whether or not the submission window is open for vehicle inventory. Go ahead and click on the Go button for vehicle inventory. Here is the vehicle inventory list. This will show a list of all reported vehicles. All reported vehicles that were in Common Logon have been rolled over to the new system in ADEConnect. It will show a list of all retired or in-service vehicles. To add a new vehicle, click on the Add New Vehicle button. A window will pop up to prompt you to enter vehicle information, such as the vehicle code, the license plate, VIN number, and information about the vehicle, such as the make and model. When adding a new vehicle, please be careful. The only fields that can be edited once you've added a vehicle is the vehicle code and the license plate. The following fields cannot be edited: the VIN number, the vehicle information fields, such as the body style, manufacturer, and the vehicle purchase information. Please be careful when entering new vehicle information. Should you need to update the vehicle code or license plate, you can do so by going to the specific vehicle and clicking the Edit button. In rare instances, you have to replace a meter on a bus. If those rare instances happen, you simply navigate to the Edit button within the Edit Vehicle field and scroll down to the middle of the menu. You will see a Replace Meter button. A window will pop up and prompt you to enter information such as the start date of when the meter was replaced and the start miles of that meter. Sometimes at the end of the year, a bus needs to be retired. Should you need to retire a vehicle out of your listed inventory, simply click on the detailed information to edit the vehicle and click on Retire Vehicle. You would then be prompted to enter the reason for retiring the vehicle and the date that the vehicle is to be retired. The system will track vehicle history for each vehicle and is organized by each fiscal year. You will see vehicle meter information, and the summarized total miles reported for each fiscal year based on the reported odometer start and end dates. The vehicle mileage is reported here within the mileage application. Here is where you will see your bus inventory and will choose the Edit button to enter the ending odometer miles for the year. To enter the end of year odometer information, select Edit. To enter the year-end odometer miles, scroll down to the vehicle meter information area and find the current fiscal year meter information and select the Edit button. Type in the odometer ending miles and then select Update. Do not enter a meter end date or a reason on this screen. If you enter a meter end date, then the system will retire the vehicle. When you are finished typing in just the meter end miles, select Update. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Save. Best practices and updates. Best practices for reporting transportation route information. Please make sure that you have a standard detail log for all of your bus drivers, that you have pre-labeled miles for each of the reporting categories, that you have pre-identified the dates that you are using to use your average reporting information. You have beginning, end, and total miles for the odometer readings, and that you have an organized binder. Train your bus drivers in a process that ensures student counts for both the AM run and the PM run. Organize this information in an Excel spreadsheet. Don't forget to project remaining 80 or 100-day calendars if you're a 200-day calendar school. Document your process and retain documentation on calculations. This piece here is especially crucial if you do decide to use the adjustment feature for the beginning odometer readings. Develop a system and have your staff member physically check the odometer readings at the end of the year and have your drivers confirm the information that is being input. And last, create and run daily reports to ensure that consistent information is being reported. As previously noted, vehicle inventory will be exported from Common Logon applications to the new AZED's transportation application. Historical data will be included. In fiscal year 22, if there is not vehicle inventory in the system, the new payment system will not generate a transportation support level value for TSL. Emails have been sent and hot topics have been posted on the school finance website about this topic. Prior year data. It is important to note that if prior year data, such as vehicle inventory or route information, should need to be corrected, you will need to request a 15915 to update the data in Common Logon for fiscal years 21, 20, and 19. As far as route information, for data that specifically impacts transportation support level for fiscal year 22, this information will be copied over into the new payment system nightly. Should you need to access prior year reports, they are available under the Student Count Reports link within the School Finance, Student Counts, and State Aid Reports website. If you have questions about transportation reporting, you can reach out to the School Finance Analyst team via Help Desk or by calling the number listed for School Finance and selecting phone option number 3.